Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Ninja, and the title of the video is Foul Mouth Psychopath Meets Small Town Justice. All right, let's get into the video. Let's see what they're talking about.
On May 5th, 2023, officers in Charleston, Illinois responded to a call about a man attempting to steal a car.
Trying to steal someone's vehicle.
Let go of him. Get on the ground. On the ground. Put the knife down. Just put it down. We got one at taser point. We'll be taken into custody detaining. We got one detained. There was a knife in play, it looks like, but everything is code 5 here. I fell out of your pocket. Okay. We're gonna figure this out.
Listen, we're gonna try to sit you up, okay?
Okay, there's a knife on the ground. Shut your mouth and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right. Let's get him up.
Let's just put him in the back of the car.
Yep. Until we figure out.
Stand up, man.
I'll help you. Give me a sec.
Don't start lying. You want to start lying? Start lying.
Yeah, we'll get to it.
You got anything on you? You got the clothes.
You
Yeah.
white motherfucker.
Stop.
Suck dick. Fuck you white bitch. I'm out to kill you nigga.
You're out to do what?
Yeah. Fuck you white bitch.
You're out to do what?
Yeah. Fuck you white bitch. Ain't no knife involved, bitch. I came out to this shit Armstrong, bitch. Don't start lying. Don't start lying.
Did you see what happened?
Lying, bitch. There
Stop.
wasn't no knife, bitch.
Stop.
Where was the knife, bitch? Where was the knife?
He's
Ask
got-
that white mother right there. Where was the knife? Where was the knife? Where was there a knife, huh? Was there a knife, bitch? There wasn't no knife, right? Exactly. Don't ask.
Move.
There wasn't no knife, bitch. Don't start lying, bitch. I don't get no suck dick, bitch. You nigga.
Did you just
got on me too.
got spit on?
Open the door, Dan. Open the door.
Oh,
Get in. Get in. Stop resisting.
oh, it's about
Stop
to get
resisting.
lit. Oh yeah, you about to get that work.
Get in.
Oh,
Get
you
in.
gonna get that work.
Taser, bitch.
You gonna get that work, boy. You gonna get that work today.
Coles County won't add him to.
Direct to county.
Yeah.
Yo, that is the most disgusting thing. Like, I feel like, you know, for officers on the street, the most disgusting thing is to probably get spit on. That's probably the most disgusting thing. For the officers that's behind the wall, the COs, the most disgusting thing is feces getting thrown at you. You know what I'm saying? They mix piss and shit, mix it in a cup or whatever they got, and as you walking past the cell, they splash you with it or whatever, you know, or they, you know, it's foul. It's foul stuff, man. Foul stuff. I'm so glad that never happened to me. Like, I'm so happy. Like, but it is, I've seen officers get hit with that. Like, yeah, it'll mess up your whole, it's gonna mess your whole day up, bro. I ain't gonna lie. That thing gonna mess you up. It's more than a day, bro. That's more than a day. It's gonna mess you up for a while, bro. That's just foul. So equivalent to that is kind of like, you know, getting spit, you know, for the officers in the street is like getting spit on, you know. It's like that one thing that'll like turn you from 0 to 100, you know what I mean? And it's the same thing, you know, for the officers behind the wall, the feces or whatever, it turn you from 0 to 100 real quick. It make it seem like spit is, that's not bad. At least I ain't getting no piss thrown on me today. You know, like, it's messed up. I tell you, behind the wall, your brain gonna get fried. I'm telling you.
CCOM 151.
You want to taser?
Why don't you chill out?
Let's taser, bitch.
Yeah, you did get tased.
Let's
CCOM 151.
I want to die. Fuck you talking about suck dick. Fuck your mother. Your white daughter, bitch. Fuck you talking about you suck
151's en route to CJ direct. He's made statements about wanting to die.
And also by him saying that, he knows that, I'm sure this guy is a career criminal or whatever. You know, so he knows by saying those other words, he's gonna get put into, you know, put on a watch or, you know, go into the other unit. You're not gonna go directly to like general pop, like regular stuff. You know what I mean? Like, yeah.
Also,
you don't like niggers, Black Lives Matter, fuck that.
can you calm down, man?
Let's get it, bitch. You talking about? Let's go down the street.
What's your deal, man? Like, why won't you calm down?
Suck your mother's dick. How about I told you to fucking aunt suck your
151, 158, 1023.
Let's get it, bitch.
You gonna be cooperative with these jailers? Are you gonna be cooperative? You got glasses or anything so it don't spit in your eyes? Where do you spit on you at? And you're hurt. You're hurt too.
Spit the other way, but it came back on me. See, that's his spit right there.
Yeah. I'm gonna get on the other side just in case. Or are you gonna be cooperative, dude?
Fuck your mother, bitch. Fuck your mother, bitch.
I'm asking a serious question.
Mother,
Are you
bitch.
gonna be cooperative with
Your
them?
mother, your granddaughter, your daughter, suck, bitch, cop kill. Fuck all you white bitches.
Can you relax?
I ain't trying to talk, bitch. I ain't trying to. You just tased me, bitch.
I think it's a good idea. I gotta leave this on just so the camera doesn't die.
Cop killer. You're that cop killer. Right there in the report. Cop killer. Fuck all you white honky, American flag, Black Lives Matter. You like that, huh? You suck it, bitch. You taking over this bitch.
Let me try one more thing.
Here comes another
Hey.
white bitch.
It's just me again. Can you relax?
I ain't relaxing.
And you're not gonna relax? Is there anything I can say that would? Is there anything I can say that will help you cooperate?
You just tased me.
Is there anything I can say that's gonna help you cooperate with us?
All you and your American flag.
Can you please cooperate with us and
King love, nigga.
and listen to what they're gonna?
You spit on me again. Get your man.
Yeah, you gonna get that work today.
Stop! Or you're getting tased. Stop it! I'm gonna tase him. I'm gonna tase him. Watch it.
Nah, they don't need that thing. They gonna get that work.
Did you get the hood on him?
The chair's coming down. It's right there.
Yo, I'm telling you. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Listen, play them games out there. When you get up in there, you're gonna get that work, boy. When he get all done, checked in and booked in and everything is settled in and whatever, they'll see you. I'm telling you, go, okay. Okay. You got a problem with law enforcement like that? What? Like that? They gonna get you together, boy.
That's a taser in your side. If you do anything, I'm gonna tase you again. You understand me?
Yeah, I heard you.
You gotta move your elbows, man.
Yeah, I
You do
heard you.
anything to hurt them,
Yeah,
you're getting
gonna tase me
tased.
again.
I am gonna tase you again if you do anything.
You already fucking tased me to
Yes, I did.
At me.
I know. It's stuff.
Bunch of white guys tasing me. Wasn't me. Tased me to death. Nigga, kill me. to me, another fucking Puerto Rican dead, right? Oh, because I spit on you, I got a spit mask.
Because you spit on an officer? Yes. That's correct. Because you spit on
Tell
somebody.
him in court. Tell him how I spit on your bitch ass.
Did he have an ID
Tell him
or
how I
anything
spit
on
on your bitch ass. I'll tase you. Tase me, bitch. Tase me now. I spit on this. Tell him that at fucking court. How he said, he spit on me. You I'm a lag king, bitch.
So you intended to spit on us?
Man, I'm out here fucking bitches. Get my dick sucked and I'm carjacking bitches. How you like that?
You're doing what?
Yeah, you heard me, bitch. You heard me. Write the report. Shut the fuck up. Write the report. You let a thug in your neighborhood. At least one white man said, what you doing on my property? I said, man, I'm just walking through. He said, you better be walking through. I'll kill you, nigga. You's our clown with fucking badges. You suck dick, bitch.
Good? Yeah.
Tase me. Tase me.
I'm not going to tase you right now.
I spit. Wait, hang on. Wait. Oh, you. It was you I spit on. You got to go to lunch and say, oh, that Puerto Rican spit on me. Yeah, like a bitch. Fucking suck dick.
Can you relax,
Puerto
please?
Rican 9-inch dick. You like that? How'd you have that for lunch?
Can you take a breath,
I don't
man?
give a fuck what the fuck they give me in the court. Suck that Puerto Rican dick.
All right.
Spit on the dick. You like that?
He's at John Doe right now. We got nothing. He was on the ground in a headlock whenever I got to Huck's. Gotcha. And then kind of went, the same.
Yeah.
Since then. So we'll see. Was there an ID that you know of?
His wallet is in the front. We can
Okay.
check.
Yeah, we'll check that real quick.
So hold on. Because I know you're probably wondering, why is the title like that? Blah, 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 right? So he ends up getting, Ramos ends up getting sentenced to 7 years in prison, man. Crazy. That day he went on a crime spree, you know, stealing cars and doing all different types of stuff. So he ends up getting 7 years in prison. And hopefully he has calmed down some, because I don't know too much about the county. But when you get sent upstate, all of that foolery that you doing there, they gonna get you together, boy. So, you know, I don't know about the county. I don't know. Never worked in the county. Don't know. But in the state, yeah. That's when you going up top, you know you got your time. And that's it. You know what I'm saying? You know your time is coming. And you know when you getting out of prison, shoot, it's over, you know? So typically they chill out a little bit more, you know, but you still got your knuckleheads, you know, it's still dangerous and everything like that. But all of that hooting and hollering he doing right there, yeah, that ain't gonna fly in the state like that. Them officers ain't letting that rock.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.